The Focal Access 165A1 speaker kit offers a remarkable audio experience with its 6.5-inch two-way component system, providing clear and dynamic sound quality. The woofers feature a humidity-resistant woven glass fiber cone and a butyl rubber surround, ensuring durability and powerful bass even in challenging environments. This speaker system includes an aluminum inverted dome tweeter, which delivers precise and efficient treble, enhancing the overall listening experience. The external crossover with a 3-position tweeter level control allows users to fine-tune the sound to their preference, ensuring optimal performance in any vehicle setup. With a power handling capacity of up to 120 watts and a sensitivity of 92 decibels, these speakers are designed to deliver impressive volume and clarity. Focal's dedication to sound quality and innovative design is evident in this speaker kit, making it a top choice for car audio enthusiasts.